Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my Valentine's Day French toast. And don't forget a mimosa. To make an amazing French toast, you gotta have the best whipped cream. And it's best if you do it yourself. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with 2 cups of some heavy cream. Rule of thumb, for every cup of cream, you go in with a tablespoon of sugar. This is Chef Dad's smoked sugar. If you don't want it to be sweet, don't put sugar in. It says a teaspoon of vanilla. This is a little over a tablespoon because I have problems with vanilla. Then we're gonna throw in some strawberries, but that's gonna after we get closer to soft peaks. So we're gonna drop this down and we're just gonna start mixing. You know the nice thing about this? Is I don't have to do it by hand. All I want to do is beat the air into it and get this nice and thick. You can see how much it's lifted up. And if we pull this up, it is just before it's about to get to soft peaks. So this is where I want to add in my freshly chopped strawberries. Ooh. The only reason I didn't want to add them in the beginning is I didn't want them just to get mashed up and nasty. Let's go ahead and get this finished. Okay, so this is the consistency that we're looking for. If you keep going, you can overbeat this and it will start separating the milk fats and you can make butter. This is what we ended up with. Some nice strawberry studded whipped cream. Beautiful. Okay, so let's put together the French toast dredge here. And the bread that we got is gonna soak up a bunch, which is exactly what we want. So we're gonna get 10 eggs in here. First I'm going to break the yolks and beat these just a little bit before I add anything else. Okay, and as I'm beating this, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of cream. And I am gonna go in with some smoked salt. I mean, you add salt just to amplify flavors. I want smoked salt because Chef Dad smoked salt is the best. I'm gonna go in with a little over a tablespoon of some vanilla extract. And then I'm gonna go in with some cinnamon, about 2 teaspoons, about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Just make sure everything gets combined. And once you're satisfied with that, what you need to do is get your pan on. We're using a Smithy cast iron pan. Pick a good bread. You want a good bread. This is a sourdough bread, and I want it to be a nice, healthy slab. This is for Valentine's Day. That's the thickness we're gonna pick. Oh, while that's heating up, we're just gonna go ahead and let this soak right in there. Put that whisk right on top. Let it start absorbing. You want it just to... So once this starts getting up to temp, we're gonna go on with some good butter. So now that that's had time to soak on that side, we're gonna flip it. Oh, look how beautiful that's stuck to everything. You can hear our butter's just about there. Take this right on there. And you can, if you want to test it, you can take just a little bit of that mixture and drip it in there. Should start cooking right away. So now once you got this saturated to your liking, I mean, look how beautiful that is. That, oh man, that is so gorgeous. Look how gorgeous it is. Take it right over and set it in your pan. We definitely do not need it on high temp. If you start getting concerned, take a look at the bottom side. You want a nice little browning to it, but not too much. You can see the bubbles starting to come up through. That means that we got a lot of batter. Is it a batter? Let me know in the comments down below. Is this a batter that I'm dipping this French toast in? It's goodness, I know that. Take another peek underneath. Oh yeah, that's about perfect where we want it. See it? Gorgeous. So, we're gonna flip it over. Whoa, easy. It's getting really close. We want some of that brown butter that we created to be like all over it. Flip this back over, oh yes, look at that color. Okay, once you got this beautiful color on both sides, let's go ahead and get this moved over just like that. We got these beautiful heart-shaped strawberries that we're gonna lay out. Then why not just throw in some blueberries? Make it look fancy. So here we go. We need to get some powdered sugar onto our plate. Look at this. Make it snow. Oh yeah, that's plenty. So now we need a dollop of this beautiful whipped cream that we just made. We're gonna finish this off with some high quality maple syrup. And then what is a Valentine's meal without a mimosa? This is the ideal way to make a mimosa. It takes orange juice and champagne. Start with your orange juice. Pour in about that much. Make sure you give it a swirl. Get it all over, then take it over to the sink and make sure you get it all the way up to the rim. Get rid of that orange juice. Now go in with your champagne. And that is what a mimosa is supposed to look like. Nice little orange aroma to it.
Cheers.
We gotta give our French toast a try, and this is going to be like the epitome of French toast, I'm telling you. It's got smoked sugar, Chef Dad smoked sugar, smoked salt, heart-shaped strawberry, because yeah. Okay, here we go. Let's give it a try. That's super good. I have to admit, that is the best French toast I've ever had. Don't just take my word for it. I made this for somebody. Happy Valentine's Day. I made this for you. I'd get some whipped cream. I'd get a strawberry, some whipped cream over there. I thought it was gonna be lacking something, but it's not.
The thick bread makes a difference. You should take it and stare into your dad's eyes.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Is it Valentine's Day?
Oh, and you have a girlfriend? Come on now, we gotta get you a calendar.
There's hope still, a young grasshopper. Hey everybody, YouTube picked this video for you, I picked this video for you. There's a subscription button right over here. I need you. Click it.